whose howls his watch, thus with a steady pace, with Tarquin's ravishing strides towards his design, moves like a ghost.
Moves like a ghost.
Yeah. Thou sure and film set earth.
Film.
Firm set earth.
There was film back then.
No, there was no film, although this was a film.
Did you get the part in that?
No.
Oh.
Hear not my steps, which way they walk for fear, thy very stones prate of my whereabouts.
Why are you talking like that?
It's Shakespearean. We've been through this before. Okay, where was I? Thy very stone.
You said that.
Okay, and take the present horror from the time, which now suits with it. What's the next bit?
Whilst I threat.
Whilst I threat he lives. Words to the hearer of deeds too cold breath gives. Now there's supposed to be a bell. You have to do the bell.
Ding.
Oh, I go, and it is done. The bell invites me. Hear it.
It's the dinner bell.
What?
It's the bell for dinner.
Is it?
Yeah, there's always a dinner bell.
Oh, I didn't know that. Oh well, I'll know that when I go to rehearsals. Hear it not, Duncan, for it is a knell that summons thee to heaven or to hell. Buck? Buck? Where did you go? Buck? Huh. He's gone. To heaven or hell. Goodbye.